Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install FossBilling on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. And by the end of this video you'll have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install and start the Nginx web server. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now install MariaDB using the following command and then connect to MySQL shell using the login command. Next, create a database and user. Grant the user all necessary privileges for the database and flush the privileges. Now install PHP with the following command that start the PHP FPM service. Next, let's move on the downloading and extracting FossBilling. Navigate to the temporary directory, then download and extract the archive using these commands. Now let's configure the web server. Create a configuration file and pass the following code into it. Don't forget to replace server name with your actual domain name or server IP address. Enable the site and navigate to your domain name or IP address in your web browser to complete the web-based installation. Once the installation is complete, make sure to delete the install directory and secure the file permissions. Finally, open the task scheduler and add the following line so that the system script runs every 5 minutes to handle invoicing and automated emails.